Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers, in front of me Wacom DTU-1031, and now I can show you how to set up the pen sensitivity on this device. So firstly, you need to open the settings. Then here you will see the Wacom settings. If you don't see the Wacom settings here, you need to open the Wacom Center in the search. Open the Wacom Center, here click Pen Settings, and here by clicking on this window we can measure our pressure. And as you can see now, I am trying to click really hard, and as you can see it doesn't click into the max. So I'm gonna make it softer. Yes, great. In this way I can click max, but now I click in very soft and it's taking me to the max. But oh, okay, is the best way for me. Yeah, so second feel, tip feel is best way to click in for me. For example, it's too hard, but maybe too easy. Okay, sort is best for me. Yes, sort is best for me. We can change the double click distance and other settings, but we don't need it. We can confirm it and use it in this way. So that's it. Thanks you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.